As electricity prices continue to climb, more Filipino households are turning to rooftop solar to cut their monthly power bills. The Philippines already has the highest residential electricity rates in Southeast Asia. Since tensions in the Middle East disrupted global energy markets, power rates have climbed even higher, making solar energy an increasingly attractive option. Although installation requires a significant upfront investment, many homeowners see it as a long-term solution to rising utility costs. Software engineer Adrian Sabatera invested about 570,000 pesos in a rooftop solar system, hoping to dramatically reduce his family's annual electricity expenses.
It's not going to be 100% reduction in consumption from the grid, pero it will probably reduce the cost to, sabihin natin, babalik kami dun sa 3,000 to 4,000 range. Yun yung ideal na gusto kong mangyari.
Analysts expect rooftop solar capacity in the Philippines to nearly triple within the next 2 years, driven by falling equipment costs and soaring electricity prices. The growing demand is also keeping solar installers busier than ever, with companies reporting a sharp increase in residential projects.
Before a month, we usually cater only 2 clients, maximum is 3. But now, in 1 month, we finish almost 14 to 13 projects a month. So the demand is very high.
Despite challenges such as high installation costs and limited financing options, rooftop solar is fast becoming a practical investment for Filipinos seeking relief from rising electricity bills.